Guys, I'm back. It's it's kind of cold out here. Actually, not bad. So for the swap, I plan on taking this intake off this motor and putting it on that one. I just took all the bolts off. I had to take the carburetor back off because I was doing some test fittings. Those are all the bolts right there. They used these hex bolts, and I really don't have any fittings for that. So what I did was I took, where did I put it? Anyway, I took a bit and an adjustable wrench and took it off like that. So here are all the holes right here. Yep. Take this off. This is a screw on the back of the valve cover. Let's see what it looks like. Clean that up. May reuse that. Wham! All that muck right there. Gotta get the vacuum cleaner. Clean that up. Clean that up. It's been sitting for 9 years, so it doesn't look as bad. Let's see if I can maybe pour the old gasket off. Yep, it's hard. Shouldn't be hard. Yep. So that's the inside of the motor. I checked all the rockers and all that stuff is tight. The motor does turn. So yeah, I'm gonna get a vacuum cleaner, vacuum all this out, and it'll be good to go. Probably clean that up too. Gotta find my scraper. It is fully machined, just like before. I even went over the valve covers. So if you notice, there was a lot of dirt all up in here. I can't get in there, but I may paint that orange and paint the word Overhaul black, which is on top. I gotta get this seat out of here. Yep, this is for oil. Yep, definitely got a vacuum. All right, so I pulled out the radiator, which is all the way over there. That's the steering pump. The fuel pump is down there. Well, with the fuel line, I didn't take that off because I don't have to. Disconnected the battery cable, which went right there to that bolt right there. Fuel pump bolt. I took the water pump off because I'm gonna use that on the other one. This intake, like I said, is going on the other motors, so I just took these bolts off to clean them up. What else? What else we get? Took the carb off, of course. That's about it. I mean, the whole timing, this distributor, the vacuum advance, all that stuff's going on the motor. Valve covers are not. Should turn it around a little while I have it off. Yeah, whatever. The plugs aren't. Plug wires aren't. They may be. And that's about it. Alternator, all that stuff is off. That's the pulley, that's the fan. I still have the screws all the way right there. That's the other. I have a second steering pump and a second fuel pump. That's all the fan cover accessories. Alternators right there. I got an extra one on the other side of the car. So yeah, she's ready to come out. I also recycled the antifreeze, which is right there. Probably can't see it. So yeah, I am putting AC back in this car. So all the extra bolts I am keeping. I have to take this off so I can get to, as close as possible. I might not have to, but I want to break it. It's already splitting here, here. So whole grill is already splitting. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm just quick like that.
What's your name? You good? Everything hello?
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Going up, come on. Stroke it. Full stroke. Easy. You gotta yank it. Full stroke.
Full stroke when I hit that phone.
Keep on stroking, man. Keep on.
What's going on here? I told you you gotta take the hood off.
No, you don't, man. Pull it back. Well, one up.
Here we go. Maurice, we cooking with grease. It's out of there. Thank God.
When you cross to the damn pan.
Alright, guys. Woo, it's the day after I pulled the motor out. It's soaking right now. I decided to use oven degreaser to get the grease off because it's been sitting, and then I gotta get, it's just nasty. So I'm gonna show you that, and I'm gonna show you what's wrong with the old motor. Alright, guys, this is the 305 block that I'm gonna be putting in. I sprayed it OD with oven off. Got it from the dollar store. It works so well. It's gonna be soaking overnight. So, well, I should have done the timing code while I was at it, but oh well. It's all in there. There's a lifter on the ground. I got one more lifter in there left. I gotta check the crankshaft in this motor. I also did the valve covers, the oil pan. That's a breather, but I might not use it. Might not. All right, so this is the old motor. It's the 350. And what's wrong with it is that the crankshaft is actually worn out. See, what happens is when you put oil in it and dirt gets into it, it goes down to the crankshaft. While the crankshaft is rotating, it grinds the teeth around the crankshaft. So I gotta change the crankshaft in that motor, but the block is still good. I may throw it in another car. Here's what the car looks like heartless. That DH350 is coming out as well. It will be replaced with a 700 R4. Looking good. Let me see if I can plug up the light for you guys. Oh yeah. A couple stuff that needs to get fixed though. Like that wire right there. I'm gonna take that off. That's the starter wire. See that breakage right there? And then it goes down. Yeah, I gotta fix that. That's not gonna do. Not gonna fly with me. It's gonna be right. Don't touch this stuff up or nothing. That's the oil pump from the 350, which is still good, but I'm not gonna trust it because it wasn't. I think that the crankshaft is the main problem, but I'm not gonna trust it. Same with this block. The oil pump looks good, but I'm not going to use it. So I would get back there, but I don't want to get any on my clothes. I just changed. So yeah, she's coming along. She is coming along. I also picked up a rear end the other day. I think there it is. It's kind of covered up. It's a posi. Ford Mustang 8.8. A lot of people put 9 inches in these cars, but that's a little heavy and expensive. So I went with the mid-range one. 8.8 is stronger than the 8-inch, but weaker than the 9-inch, but is as strong as the Chevy 12-bolt. So mine as well. It's gonna be 411s back there. So yeah, we got the AC compressor right there with all the brackets. The only bracket I'm missing is trying to find an intake. Okay, there's a bracket that hooks on right here, and it comes over the valve cover, and it hooks on to the back, which is right here. I don't have that. I believe that is the original compressor for this car. I'm not sure. Like I said, I took everything out and just put it to the side. I got a carburetor. That's the cap and rotor from the 350. That's the distributor from the 350, pulley from the 350. Everything's getting reused from that 350. I got the headers over there from the 350. I have to take out all these individual rockers, rods. Gotta take the rocker out, the rod, and the lifter. All that stuff gotta go. As I take it out of here, I gotta put it in there, so one by one. And I gotta put it in the same exact spot. And I also have to check that camshaft to see if it's worn. But yeah, so this is the old camshaft in 305. It is worn out as well. So basically it looks like the oil was not changed in this motor for a very long time. Not talking about the 9 years it sat, talking about the time when it was being operated. Because it wasn't, from the looks of the camshaft, it was not running right. So we'll get it straight. So yeah, that's the spiel. Everything is soaking. I may hit the motor one more time just to make sure I get everything. Yeah, after everything is finished soaking, which will be probably tomorrow, I'm gonna take that power washer and power wash it. I gotta get a valve spring compressor so I can get these springs out. And yeah, it looks good, real good. She will be back. There's the motor mounts back there, the alternator, the fan, pulley, alternator bracket. Where's my water pump? Where is it? It's somewhere around here. It's probably back there somewhere. Oh, wait, no, yep, probably back there somewhere. Yeah, that's it. All right. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to use this oven cleaner. Gotta take it off. Oh my gosh. Alright. Shake it up good. Alright. That's my fan. Hand change. I'm not rich enough to get GoPros and stuff like that. Shake it up. Just spray it. Now, a layer will go on, but you want it to be thick, just like the dirt. Hit this one more time. I drained all the oil out of the motor, so all this is excess stuff. And when you're doing this, be careful not to breathe like right away, because you will choke. It'll make you cough. This stuff looks good. Now I did get up in here in the heads with the scraper and the compressor, but this is a much better job because I'll be able to power wash it with more force and the air can actually provide. So, yep. All right. See you tomorrow.